बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व आलि मुहम्मद वाज्जिल फरज आलि मुहम्मद। Today we are studying ring opening reaction of cycloalkenes. This is a cyclobutene. When these p orbitals, one of them move in clockwise and other move in the anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise, this is the clockwise. One of them moves clockwise and other moves in the anti-clockwise, these opposite direction. This rotation is called disrotatory motion of orbitals. This is clockwise, and 1,3-butadiene is obtained. So this is the ring opening reaction. At the same time, when these move in same direction, this is moving in anti-clockwise, or this orbital also moves in anti-clockwise. These move in the same direction, then this ring opening reaction is called counter-rotatory motion. Cyclization of 4n system. 4n mean n is equal to 1 ring and 4 pi bonds. This is 1,3-butadiene. It converted into the cyclobutene. This is the cyclization of 4n system. 4n mean 4 pi electrons. This is the 4 pi. Now we can represent in these are there are 4 p orbitals. There are 4 carbon atoms. Each of them is sp2 hybridized. So one or p orbital is perpendicular on the hybrid orbitals on each carbon atom. This is the 4 p orbitals. When 4 p orbitals overlap symmetrically, then this is the molecular orbital, which is called phi 1. Phi 1 molecular orbital is formed. Now these also symmetrically overlap, so that this orbital overlaps symmetrically with this and this overlap with this. This is also another chance. Phi 2 molecular orbital is formed. When these overlap unsymmetrically, like this over these lobes which have electrons, these are directed in opposite direction. So this is the unsymmetrical overlap. This shaded area means it is the electrons region, and unshaded area means this is the small lobe, and in the center there is the nucleus. So when these unsymmetrically overlap, then this is called a phi 3 molecular orbital, and this is another there are bonding and anti-bonding are equal, so there is another chance. This is also unsymmetrical. This region is above and this is the below, this above and this is the below. So this is also unsymmetrical overlap. This is the phi 4 star. Now there are 4 electrons, 2 electrons in the phi 1, 2 electrons in the psi 2, and psi 3 star is empty, and psi 4 star is also empty. These are the 4 electrons. This is the ground state. It is the lower unoccupied molecular orbital. It is the highest occupied molecular orbital. HOMO overlap and form the sigma bond. HOMO, highest occupied molecular orbital, overlap and form the sigma bond. When it is irradiated, when electron from HOMO overlap to the from psi 2 to psi 3 star, now its HOMO becomes psi 3 star. This can also be represented. This is the sigma, pi star and sigma star. This is the cycloalkene. Now this is C2 symmetry. When it is rotated at 90-degree angle, So then in this configuration become indistinguishable. This is the symmetrical, this is also symmetrical, these overlap and form 1,3-butadiene. During the cyclization, this will move clockwise and this will move the anti-clockwise. Then they will become in phase and they overlap and form the cyclization will be cyclization will take place. This is called a counter-rotatory motion. This is a C2 symmetric and C2 symmetry, and this is the overlap of phi 2. This is 2 antigen and 4 antigen. These are in the, this is the pi bond. This and this carbon atom are in opposite direction. This carbon atom and this carbon atom are also in opposite direction. It is 2,4-hexadiene. It is 2,4-hexadiene, 2 and 4 antigen. Now orbitals are involved are phi 2 homo overlap and form the sigma bond. Now orbitals which are overlapping of which orbital is involved, these orbitals are the highest occupied molecular orbital. These are the homo molecular orbitals. During the photochemical cyclization, electron from psi 2 is excited to psi 3 star. Now this is the, these two are unsymmetrical and this is also unsymmetrical. This is showing the phi star. Now this will move in the this orbital, this orbital and this orbital on 2 carbon and 3 carbon are unsymmetrical, and 3, 4 and 5 carbon are also unsymmetrical. This is the pi psi 3 star. Electron is excited into psi 3 star. In the photochemical cyclization, overlap of psi 3 star orbitals occupy and these act as the homo, highest occupied. When it is excited electron from psi 2 to psi 3 star, then highest during when irradiated with light, so then highest occupied molecular orbital will become psi star 3. So during photochemical cyclization, overlap of psi 3 star occurs. In the ground state, overlap of psi 2 occurs because it is the highest occupied molecular orbital. So now this will move in anti-clockwise and this orbital will move in the clockwise. So these are this rotatory motion. These orbitals will overlap. This is the overlap of 2 orbitals. This is phi 3 star overlap, highest, which act as the highest occupied molecular orbital. This is also antigen because these carbon on double bond and this carbon are in opposite. Methyl and this carbon of double bond are in opposite direction. This carbon and this methyl are in opposite direction. This is also 2 antigen and 4 antigen hexadiene, 2,4-hexadiene. So on photochemical irradiation, one electron is promoted from psi 2 to psi 3 star. So psi 3 star overlap occurs during the photochemical cyclization, while in ground state cyclization during the cyclization, overlap of psi 2 molecular orbitals take place, which are in phase, which are symmetrical. Ring opening. So on photochemical irradiation, one electron is promoted from psi 2 to psi 3 star. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है, जब इसको आप हीट करते हैं तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन जंप करके इसमें आ जाता है, प्रमोट हो जाता है. तो जब फोटोकेमिकल साइक्लाइजेशन होगी तो उस वक्त ये ऑर्बिटल जो है ये हिस्सा लेगा, और जब ग्राउंड स्टेट में साइक्लाइजेशन होगी, जब इसे आप हीट करेंगे तो उस वक्त ये ऑर्बिटल जो है ये साइक्लाइजेशन में ओवरलैप करके ये जो है वो साइक्लिक रिंग बनाएगा. ऑन फोटोकेमिकल रेडिएशन, वन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज प्रमोटेड फ्रॉम psi 2 to psi 3 star. आगे है रिंग ओपनिंग. तो रिंग ओपनिंग ऑफ सिग्मा स्क्वायर प्लस पाई स्क्वायर. sigma square mean sigma electrons and pi square mean 2 pi electron. Two sigma electrons, carbon carbon sigma bond, and 2 pi electrons of pi bond are involved in sigma square plus pi square ring opening reaction. This is the cyclobutadiene, cyclobutene. This is the sigma electrons, 2 sigma electron. These are the 2 pi bond. So ये pi square or this is the sigma square. So during the cyclization, these electrons shift, and so that ये 1,3-butadiene is formed. 1 2 3 4 1,3-butadiene is formed. So in this way, sigma square and pi square electrons are involved. Next we detail inshallah in the next lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajjal faraja ali Muhammad.